One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Hi guys, it's
Pat
and Agnes, and this is
Pat and Agnes Try to Vlog. Today we are here in Cebu, and today, ngayong gabi mismo, yung Traveler Across Dimensions concert namin dito sa Cebu Waterfront, and kinakabahan kami because
kasi by this time alam naman na ng lahat na Jam is injured, so it's been like kwento namin yung mga paano tayo na punta dito. So it's the first time that we'll be playing a big concert na hindi okay yung isa sa amin. So,
na like hindi talaga, na hindi sinat lagnat level sa kasi nagawa na namin yun. Ito physical injury talaga.
Na hindi ka pwedeng mag-play.
Yeah.
For the whole show.
To be continued.
Yeah.
Nervous. So nervous. I'll show you in that video.
Guys, I want to say, as a mom, I love you all very much from the bottom of my heart.
Iiyak na yan!
Mamaya! How are you feeling?
Okay naman, I'm nervous sa sound kasi ngayon yung setup na to. So I will sound check from there.
Okay. Si Poch, magiging ano namin siya ngayon. MD, sound engineer, everything. Oh! What is this?
So nervous.
So how are you feeling?
I'm very excited to...
Oh, ikaw lang yung unang nagsabi, excited lahat kami ito.
Bakit? I mean, pwede namang magkahalo yung kinakabahan tsaka excited. Siyempre kasi, we've really worked together to make today happen. So, I'm just excited to do this show as best as we can. Let's go!
Always 101% naman, so tara!
Ayun, kakakwento nga lang namin na Jam's left wrist is injured. As in, hindi niya talaga magalaw. Tinatry namin up to the very last minute na somehow magkaroon ng drums sa set. Pero hindi talaga siya okay. So we decided to go with an all-acoustic set. And we're very nervous kasi yun nga, it's the first time we're doing it. And syempre, hindi namin alam kung magugustuhan ba siya ng mga tao. So, yun. Yan. Wala namang may gusto nito eh. But, yeah. This is what we're going through now. This is the challenge now.
So how are you feeling?
Sorry, kumakain pa ako.
2 p.m. 1:30. Make-up na kami, tapos in a while meet and greet na. Pero sabi ko kay Pat, matulog muna siya kasi
Yun nga. Masama yung pakiramdam ko kasi hindi ako nakatulog kagabi at all. Kasi parang halos 1 hour lang yata yung tulog ko. Yan, I'm starting to feel a little bit sick. So, papahinga muna ako, mag-medicine, then I'm gonna take a nap muna. Papahuli na lang muna ako sa hair and makeup. Siguro dahil nasa-stress din ako and like super anxious sa whole thing. Like, hindi siya nakakatulong sa...
matulog.
Yeah. Yun. Long story short, nervous. Yeah.
Isingin natin si Pat, tulog pa siya. Star.
Pwede ka mga picture.
Hello po. Thank you. Sobrang fresh.
Sobrang Latina!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's go!
Sound check.
Naka-mic yun. Naka-mic.
Sakit alam natin may sakit. Totoo, tunay.
Ina-allergies talaga yan.
Sawa ng tissue sa stage. Ito talaga yung nakasama.
Oy. Oy.
Ay, vlog.
May vlog. Ito na ang vlog. Sound check time. Sound check part 2. Sound check part 2. The performative sound check.
Performative.
The real sound check was earlier. Hi. Pwede po kayo mag-hi sa vlog?
Hello! We watch your vlog.
Ay, sorry, di pa kami nakaka-upload ulit. Cute! Cute, thank you! Oh, yes!
So, may mga liwanag na nagbigay ng gifts. Let's go unboxing.
Actually, nabuksan ko na siya kanina, so alam ko na yung laman. Pero ikaw mag-open para fresh yung reaction.
Hinihira. Siya! Ay! Ay! Mamaya natin babay ito.
Sige, sige, go.
So, una dito. Ay! Oh! Si Zappy. Oh, God!
Chichi! Walang vaccine. Okay lang. Favorite child. Oh, hala. Bakit? Bakit? Ipapasain niyo ba to?
Hindi niyo po ba pabalik to?
Grabe, sobrang straight ng bangs niya dito. Dang.
Magkamukha
Sobrang
na kayo ni
perfect.
Baby Malay dyan.
Sobrang perfect ng bangs niya dito. Ang lalalo ko, straight. Sobrang straight.
Ito.
Ay, sige, go.
Hello, maayong pagbalik sa Cebu. Na-realize ko na ang tagal nyo na pala here, no? Thursday pa kayo dumating pero sa mismong concert day pa magkikita. Gusto ko rin kasi ma-enjoy nyo yung time dito lalo na lang stay nyo pa. Here plus for the work din. Congratulations sa first stop ng tour and thank you na kami ang unang audience nyo. Tuloy na tuloy ang pagmamahal at suporta sa inyo, Shyfly. Thank you, Shyfly. Love you. See you sa ML. Tapos meron pang pag-ganito.
Kanina galing?
I
Kanina
think
mo nagaling? Ayoko buksan. Ay, sira eh.
Oo nga eh.
Ay, wait. May ano. There's a way.
Pakita mo muna. This is me.
Ha?
It's me. And, pakita mo sino ka. Kung sino ka.
Pakita mo kung sino ka.
Closer. Sample ng likod. Yeah, baby.
Sige, buksan. Alam mo, zero ko na yung sticker.
Ako din.
I broke it.
Wait, gusto ko muna
There's
picturein.
no way.
Picturein ko muna bago masira.
Dapat pala ginupit na lang natin.
Yes! May gunteng sipat masira niya yung mukha niya. Wait lang, wala pa.
Oh, super sharp. Important pa i-print. Hindi ko tinitignan. Tari ako spoil.
It's so cool! There's a sticker too!
Ang cute!
Yeah!
I think so. Ang cute!
Keychain.
It's me! It's little me. Ang cute! Aww! Tingin ko sa'yo.
Ang cute ng keyboard sa mukha
Okay.
siyang skirt.
Okay. So
Ang
cute.
astig ng base ko mukha siyang nakaliwanag.
Tapos may sticker
base.
pa. Aww! Yun na.
Ang ano, tapos si Archie dito. Gawa na siya. Pwede ba tayo mag-picture? Picture muna tayo second. 1, 2, 3. Wait, hindi ka naman nakatingin eh. 1, 2, 3, Okay, let's go. Yun na yung pwedeng pang ano. Dito talaga yung daan. Akala ko sa
Talaga walang ibang paraan.
Hey, kain na. Ay. Sa Derek.
Ayos lang. How are you guys doing backstage?
Okay naman, kinakabahan. Kami ay naglalakad papunta sa backstage para mag-ready.
Ang laki. Wow.
Caldero, Caldero ng Diyos. Anyway.
Mga tayo tapos halos maliligo lang. Maliligo lang. Oo, halos pinag-aral.
Kumain na po kayo?
Lilipad, lilipad na.
Gusto niyo mag-bis
Time
along
to be
dito,
his.
labas ako para nakabantay ako sa labas.
Okay lang naman po, Tito P. Eh, pwede din, actually. Okay yun. Okay, thanks, Tito P.
Bis na kayo.
Sige po, let's go, BS.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, ano?
Hindi, una. Nag-video na.
Ay, di ba yan?
Sige lang, please ka lang. May medyas pa ako, guys. Mag-change medyas ko.
Water tribe.
So, yung medyas natin for today, ganito kasi. Ayan, blue. Pero may nakasulat na brand. Bawal yan. Ayan. Ate ka.
Shit. Mali na kumain ako ng marami. Hindi na pala yung ko.
Fit check.
One, two, three. Ikot.
Ayan. Ito yung nga ng POV ni Poch. Wait lang. Dapat eye level mo. Yan. Okay, eye level mo yan.
Yes.
Sige. Ito pati yung POV ni Poch para lang natin.
Kaya ko tignan yung video.
Look at the door. Doorway.
Dapat nakababa kasi you're looking down on us eh.
Yan. Yan.
Ganyan yung POV mo.
Tony.
Looking down on me pala. Ay, makita namin mamaya pag replay.
Yes.
Ito yung POV ni
Thank you,
Tony.
Yan mo, itil mo pang medyo.
Yan.
I'm curious. I wanna see.
Suffering and bliss, is there more to this? How must we
One, two, three, four, five, six.
I know we've been through a lot in general, but but also especially the past few days and weeks, and I cannot stress enough how immensely proud I am to call you my family, and immensely proud to see everyone coming together. I think the reason why we always say family, but I want us to think of it in the non-cliche way, wherein literally pag yung isang kapamilya mo ay nangangailangan, drop everything to be able to be there and help in whatever way you can. And I think that's what we did. Not just the band, but the whole team, really. And by today, I can really say that we fought for this show to happen. And I'm proud of us. And tonight, we will be here. Tonight, let's just enjoy. And let's just, alam nyo, the way that we can make the most out of this moment is by being in it fully. And by enjoying, like Arthur and everyone always says, enjoying each other's presence, enjoying each other's music. And that will be the energy that spreads. And of course, the story that we are telling. So tonight, ano lang talaga, enjoy tayo. Every song, every lyric, let's sing for each other and sing to every single soul who came tonight to watch the show. You know, love you guys and I promise.
1, 2, 3, Light and Feel, Tita Cebu!
Kakatapos lang. Ang masasabi ko lang ay I think yun na yung pinaka-emotional na araw-araw sa lahat ng natugtog namin na araw-araw so far. Yun, share ko lang. Ikaw, musta ka?
Ano? Ito. Itong aking pawis. Ay napakarami.
Ako din eh. Daming moments gusto ko na lang umiyak. What if umiyak na lang, wag na tayong mag-play.
Guys, sorry, quick lang. Personal casual na for meet and greet kasi dito ko. Problem.
Okay, magbabold na tayo.
Okay, bold.
Time to bold.
So, I experienced a real problem today playing cajon in a way that I never thought would be a problem.
What is the problem?
The whole set, sobrang nauutot talaga ako. And I realized, kung umutot ako sa taas ng kahon, magre-reverberate siya sa buong waterfront. So di ako pwedeng umutot buong set.
So kailan ka umutot?
Ngayon.
Let's go, guys, let's go. Let's go meet and greet.
Ating mga magigiting na anchors and bouncers.
Nandito na yung Lodi. Ay, wala siya. Nawala yung Lodi. Buka! Gabi to. Sama tayo, ibang ang amihan. Pretty little baby, mahal mo ba ako? Baka bukas yun na yung version namin. Ito na ang ating mga Discord liwanag. Ano?
So nice to meet everyone.
Kailangan yung malapit para marinig.
Hello po sa vlog ni Agnes.
Okay, hello. Ako lang, vlog ko lang ito eh. Ito, meron tayo ditong... And that's it. That's a good night. Time to pack up. Pack up is the next. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Nawala na yung packing, guys. Andito na tayo sa airport. Ang bilis ng mga kaganapan. It's only 3:30. Yeah.
Sorry, gulo na mo.
Salamat liwanag sa panonood. Punta pa kami sa Daddy Eid. Bakit ka? Nasinisinok ako. Punta pa kami sa Daddy Eid. Thank you sa mga nanood sa Cebu. Rock. Love you all. Love you liwanag. Bakit sinisinok ako? Ikaw na magbaba.
Bye guys. Good night. Bawi tayo ng tulog. Someday. Bye-bye. Sinisipon naman ako. Sinisinok ka, sinisipon.
안녕하세요. 비빔밥.
Thank you.